It was the beginning of time. The Big Bang released huge amounts of energy and matter, and our universe began. After about 1 million years, it had cooled down enough for huge numbers of hydrogen atoms to form. Each had a single proton and a single electron.
Hey, don't forget us.
Oh, and some helium and lithium too, but don't bother too much about lithium. No one else does.
If I was first, I should get more credit.
The hydrogen atoms gravitated into stars where they were squeezed incredibly. They became helium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, iron, and others. Then, in some cases, the stars ended their life in a huge explosion called a supernova. In this explosion, larger atoms were created. So space was full of newly graduated atoms, all looking for partners and employment.
So, this is space. Sure is lonely out here. Wish I had a friend.
Shouldn't we be doing something useful?
Well, I'm an attractive atom. I shouldn't spend my whole life alone. I wonder if marriage has been invented yet.
I'd like to marry you. Then maybe we could build a place together where we could all live.
We should hold elections and elect some leaders to organize us.
No need for elections. As Xenon, myself, and the other noble gases are above such desires, it is probably best that we assume this role.
Okay, line up all those who want jobs. Let's see you. You're too disorganized. Let's have some sort of order.
Metals to the left and non-metals to the right.
What if you're in between, partly metal and partly non-metal? Where do we go?
You didn't think of us, did you?
Well, if you are in between, you obviously go in between, you silly things.
Careful, Silicon, or you'll develop a chip on your shoulder. Then you'll never get a job.
Those with one electron over in this column, size off, small on top and big at the bottom.
Now those with 2 electrons in the outer shell, column down here.
3 electrons.
4 electrons, that's you, carbon, and silicon in between.
5 down here, 6 down here, and 7 electrons.
And finally 8, us, the noble gases. Hydrogen in line with me, please. I'm your row leader.
I'm next.
And send me, Argon. In line, everyone.
There, that looks neater already.
Glad you're happy, but what about me? I'm still awfully lonely and I'd like a best friend.
Well, at present you are an atom, but an attractive atom like you can't go around alone. It isn't done.
Why, thank you.
We could try to pair you off with someone. We could try someone of your own type. Oxygens, line up in 2 rows. Now pair off. Now you are molecules of oxygen. A molecule is the smallest fragment you can exist as. Now all the other gases can pair off too. It's the done thing. Noble gases, you have to go around alone. You can't combine with anyone.
Oh, say. How about a metal? Do we form molecules?
You can exist as a single atom, but normally you'll be part of a crystal.